welcome back. This is beginner level 2 salsa week 3. Good job, you have come that far. And this week we're going to show you another cross-body lead. Remember, cross-body lead we learned in absolute beginner, and now we're starting to explore these different variations. Again, your instructor may choose to teach you another variation of cross-body lead, but the base is the same. The footwork is the same. All right, so let's begin with the cross-body lead with a hand toss and inside turn for the follower. So here we go. 1, 2, toss, 5, 6, 7. All right, to break it down a little bit. Cross-body lead, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, he tosses the hand and almost at the same time he switches hands. So now he's leading me with his left hand, left to left. Ladies or followers, use this opportunity to style your arm. Never leave it hanging here. Always style it here, or even go up and open up to the audience. And then from here, he's going to lead me into an inside turn, 5, 6, 7. So we're going a little bit into turns here, which is important because later on we're going to be doing double turns. Okay, so let's talk about the followers footwork. For the leads it's pretty much the same footwork. For the followers is a little bit different. So 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, toss. Now leads, it's important that you show her that she's coming towards you. So with this left hand, you're bringing her inside and leading that turn. You step left, right, left is the footwork for the follower's turn. All right, again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, toss and catch. Turn, 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 and back to basic. 5, 6, 7. All right, so we're gonna introduce a footwork step called Suzie Q. We learned a simple Suzie Q. Now we're doing a double Suzie Q. I will do the followers part. Mario will do the leads part. We're gonna do a basic step first. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Basic step, 5, 6, 7. So just to break it down a little bit slower. So we cross over, step, 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 and come back, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So remember to always be on the balls of your feet. If you put your weight on your heels, it's very hard to do steps like that. If we're facing the camera, it looks like this. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And 1. All right, so we're gonna put it together. We're gonna add a little bit of hair comb again to remember what that looks like. 5, 6, basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, toss, catch, turn, inside, hair comb, regular cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is going to be your practice pattern for this video. Again, in class, your instructor may decide to put the moves together in a different way for you to practice. All right, let's see what it looks like with music. All right, let's put it together with music. 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead, hand toss. Hair comb, cross body lead. 5, 6, 7. All right, so this was week 3, beginner level 2 salsa. Remember, in class, the instructors will always review the material that we learned the previous weeks. Here, we're just focusing on the core material that we study in this particular week of the syllabus. All right, so thank you so much for watching. We hope we see you again. If you need more information about our studio, about our classes, please visit www.salsawithsilvia.com. This is Mario, I'm Sylvia, and we'll see you next time.